To a party and everyone turned to see this beautiful lady was walking around with me. And she asked me, do you feel alright? And say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And I wonder all it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go